Good morning! It's our last full day namin in Boracay kasi tomorrow our flight is at 11 a.m. Oh my gosh! So it's our last full day here in Boracay. After breakfast, we're going to Station 1 sa grotto. And then yan, swim-swim lang sa grotto, dun sa beach and sa pool. Then si Caleb from Shein. May cover-up from Shein. One piece from Shein, shorts from somewhere. Breakfast. Yummy. Cute naman ng baby.
Si Elojo, nagwo-walk.
May otok na naman po yung isang bata. Papabili na naman, nakakainis. So yeah, it's now 8 o'clock. Buti na lang wala masyado araw. Lalakad tayo going to Grotto. Station 1. Medyo malayo. So, ang ending, ang tricycle din kami, Station 3 pa din. Kasi ito, mga kids na to, hindi sila makapaglakad. Yan ang Indie Mall with the lake. Ano? 150 from Station 3 to Station 1. We're here na. Caleb! Wala masyado lumot here. Look. Time check, it's 12:30. Going to the beach kasi po si James po ay ano na. Si James 40 na po siya. Nahiya.
Happy 40th.
Ano daw to? Photo. Ano yan? Ano yan yung kailangan? Photo op. Hindi, may isa pang tawag. +1. +1 photo sa beach. Ito, yung ita-try namin ni ate.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. Welcome to 7Ka.
Ito yung mga nabili natin dun sa Taiwanese restaurant. We have pork cutlet, calamari, deep fried squid, cheesy, ano yun na? Tapos meron pa, ito, lemon chicken. Ang dami. Cake with that. Caleb, pang ilang time mo na yan? Last na yan, last. Ito, sinigang na hipon. Ano to? Wow, baked oyster. Ano to? Baked scallop.
Happy birthday. Uy, wait lang. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Dada.
Hey, say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Yel.
Good morning, Caleb. You want to go home na? Oh, you want to go home? What happened to your lips? Slide ka? Why? Why? Dapat open door. Oh, sorry. I love you, baby. Ito hindi to, baby. I love you, baby.
Love you, mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Caleb. Bye-bye. Kasi po, naka-wheelchair si Mama. Kaya hindi kami bumaba. Yan.
Caleb, say hi.
Kami lang sakay.
Hi.